Alright, back up. Breezeway lift. Back up one more time. Well, not one more time, but one more warm-up run, or maybe two more warm-up runs, depending on how I'm feeling. And then we're gonna get into something better. I'm gonna go Little Mo. It's getting cloudy up here. It might start to snow soon, who knows? I don't know. This should be nice. It looks like just something doing to get my legs warmed up because what does it look like? Little rocky. The snow's really hard out here right now. Very hard snow. The snow's very hard. Alright. Nice one.